Hi guys, I'm Zanera and welcome to Zara's Kitchen. Today I'm making Russian salad. So the ingredients we need are macaroni, white pepper, salt, black pepper, cabbage, mayonnaise, cream, apple, carrot, boneless chicken, fruit cocktail, and its juice. So let's begin. We'll boil macaroni and chicken one by one. So let's do it. The first step is to boil macaroni. I took a pan, the water is boiling, you can see, and I added a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to add macaroni in it. And let it boil. इसको हम 3/4 बॉईल करेंगे. फ्रेंड्स, इन द मीन टाइम हमारी मैक्रोनी बॉईल हो रही है. मैं इसके साथ बोनलेस चिकन भी बॉईल कर रही हूँ. The chicken has boiled nicely. Now over here I'll blanch the carrot. We will cook it in the boiling water just for 5 minutes. Guys, मैंने मैक्रोनीज को बॉईल कर लिया है, कैरेट्स को ब्लांच कर लिया है, चिकन को बॉईल करके रेड कर लिया है, एप्पल को पीला किया है and cubes में काट दिया है. Our next step is to prepare the dressing. First, we take a small bowl, add half mayonnaise, it will be almost 3 big tablespoons. Now we'll add cream, half of the cream. Now we'll add the fruit cocktail juice. And now black pepper, salt, and white pepper. And now we will mix it. See guys, it's ready. Guys, now the mixing part. I'll add apples, the fruit cocktail, the macaroni, the cabbage, the carrot, and now the chicken. And now we will mix it. Now we'll add dressing. And now we'll mix it very well. It is ready. Now I will dish it out. The Russian salad is ready. You can enjoy it with club sandwiches, regular sandwiches, burgers, anything. So I hope you liked my recipe. If you